This is my sanitaire vacuum cleaner. You saw this vacuum before. I just wanted to do a little video of my sanitaire SC899. Look at that, tubes. Look how shiny the chrome hood is on my sanitaire. Look at that. Because I just buffed it. As you can see, I buffed the handle too. Has a 50-foot power cord. And up the bag says sanitaire. And on this side it says commercial. Down here it says heavy duty commercial sanitaire by Electrolux. And this vacuum cleaner has a Vibra Groomer 1. I'll show you that. That's the Vibra Groomer 1, and it's that's an all metal beater bar. That's not a plastic one. Hold on a minute, dude. I'll show you the suction fan. That's the belt cover. See where my hand is? That big. See that's the big suction fan, which blows it into the bag. Right here, that's the bag, and that's the belt connected to the beater bar. And this is how you take the belt off this vacuum. Just like that. It's very easy. It's very easy to take off too. Put the camera down. Hold on a second. Sorry about that, but yeah, it's very easy to change a belt on a sanitaire vacuum cleaner. I'll show you how to put the belt cover back on. This is how you put the belt cover back on. If you can line it up. See that, tubes?